So, meron tayong text-to-speech reader. Text-to-speech reader, so meron tayong enter or face text. So, type text. So, pagka mo ng text, so babasahin niya. Meron tayong play, pause, and stop. So, pag play mo siya, babasahin niya yung text na nilagay mo. And meron din tayong upload text file. And meron din tayong speed hanggang 0.5 and 2 times.
Okay guys, ito po yung voice text tool. Pag click nyo po siya, meron makikita nyo po siya yung pag click nyo po ito, magkakaroon po siya ng record. Tapos lalabas po siya dito sa transcription. Pag nakalagay na po yan dyan, wari po ito. Pwede nyo po siyang i-copy o kaya i-save. Magpupunta po siya dito sa Tapos pwede nyo po siyang burahin kung hindi na kailangan.
Dito po sa simple reader mode, magpe-paste po kayo ng mga komplikadong salita para po maging simple o mas maintindihan ng isang tao. Yan, halimbawa po, nag-paste po ako dyan ng mahabang salita. Dito po sa simplified version, ina-direct to the point po kayo para po mas madali nyo maintindihan. Yun lang.
Ito po yung accessibility setting. Kunyari po, ito pong high contrast mode. Pwede po tayong mag-dark mode. Tapos kunyari po nalilita sa size, pwede po natin palakihin. Ito lang po. Tapos ito po yung pampalit ulit. Tapos ito po yung simple mode. Tapos ito po yung large button. Tapos pag na po natin, pwede po natin i-reset all settings sa pag ayan na po. Hindi na po natin gagamitin. Kaya po.
Good day everyone. I will be presenting the result and discussion of our system, Unity Care, an accessible daily assistance system for persons with disabilities. Para naman ma-evaluate ang system, we conducted usability testing with 50 respondents. Labeled sila ng user 1 to user 50. We measured the system based on task success, time on task, errors, system usability skill, or SUS score, and last, cognitive load. Sa user task success naman, the system achieved a 100% task success rate. Sabihin nito, lahat ng 50 respondents namin were able to successfully complete the task. Napakita nito na ang system ay madali gamitin at accessible siya. Time on task. The average time on task is 1 minute and 30 seconds. Ibig sabihin nito, users were able to complete their tasks quickly. This indicates that the system is efficient and responsive. Sa error naman po ay, during the testing, walang na-record na error. This means that the interface is clear and easy to understand. Users SUS score. The system usability scale or SUS score is 63.3 out of 100. Sabihin, this falls within the acceptable range. This means that user had a generally positive experience, although there are still areas for improvement. Cognitive load. The cognitive load score is 9.3 out of 20, which is low. This means that users did not experience high mental effort while using the system. The interface is simple and easy to understand, kaya madali siyang magamit ng mga user. Sa overall results naman po, the system performed well across all usability aspects. So, na-achieve niya yung perfect task, success rate, fast task completion time, and wala siyang error. An acceptable SUS score and low cognitive load. This confirms that the Unity Care is effective, accessible, and user-friendly. In conclusion, Unity Care is an accessible and easy-to-use system designed to assist persons with disabilities in their daily tasks. Based on the evaluation result, the system demonstrated strong usability performance.